Welcome to Evision. Awarded by Wipro and IBM. 3,700 plus freshers got job in 200 plus IT MNCs company. With 100% job guarantee.
Hi, I'm Bhavna. I have done Evision training in networking and I have been selected in a company named Sopra Steria. It's a European company and there my package is 3.75 LPA. Evision is not just a placement center for me. It is very more than that. They provide hands-on training and they put their immense effort to help you out whenever you want, 24 into 7. They have helped me so much in my trainings and my learnings and also during my placement. So I want to thank from my bottom of my heart to Evision. Thank you so much.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision. Join job.